short live. I am. Okay. So this is part 2. We're just gonna make a video like I said. So hey y'all, what's up? This is your girl E checking in. As you can see, we went live earlier with you guys, but it was super loud. It's still gonna be loud, maybe not, because I can edit this one and add music. So what we doing, we are juicing. You can see, you see the first live, okay? We juicing apples, cucumbers, celery, ginger, turmeric, and lime, you guys. Very good for your health, okay? Very, very good, all right? So yeah, we're just gonna pick back up from where we were and continue juicing. This in my face. If I could drink it, I could put it in my face, right? Blushing, babe, with my big old.
Alright, so right now we're just straining some of the juice. We're gonna continue. Continue on. finally done juicing all the apples. Got a decent amount. Pour me a big cup.
Like, for real, no cap. If you guys haven't tried to juice celery, cucumber, apple, lime, lemon, but you can substitute, you know. It depends what type of fruit you can eat. But this right here,
you can add some pineapple, some spinach.
this is so good, you guys. So good. Highly recommended. So good. So refreshing. Like I told you guys earlier in the live, when this hit the spot. It hit the spot. I don't got nothing else to say, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to us, be sure to please do so, okay? We thank you all in advance that's gonna subscribe right now after you watch. As a matter of fact, pause this video, you guys, and come back and let me know you guys already subscribed. Okay, be a part of our family, you guys. Yes.
That's nice.
All right, and the cooking video, and also your girl will be vlogging. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, have a good night. Bye, babes. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Bye.